Yo, what's going on, guys? This guy. We're here at Gulf Coast Autocrossers, right? In Fort Myers.
Yep.
It's hot as fuck. We're about to walk the track right now.
Course walk.
Yeah. We're gonna walk the course. It is very hot. Everything is back there. And as you can tell by my shiny forehead, I am sweating a lot. Just because the humidity out here in Florida, we just had rain yesterday. Seemed like, man, that wasn't no storm. You know how many people I saw out? Well, there was a tropical storm yesterday. And yeah, there were a lot of people. But we're walking the course right now. I'll go ahead and walk with you guys. So, you would say cut this corner, no?
No, I wouldn't cut it too hard.
Well, because it'll set you up, so...
Because you come out here, stay right, then you do what you can.
Yeah. This is far, but... So... 5,000 RPM from launch from there. Take this turn through here. This is such a long course.
Yeah, only 5 minutes to walk.
What's the, you know what the on pace time is? It's
different every event. And there was no practice yesterday, so there is no on pace time.
Oh. Alright, so you're staying wide here, and then you cut in.
Stay right, then you cut left, then you stay straight.
I just feel like I need to make sure. Hold on.
You need to watch the sound. When they're pointed, you know what it means, right?
Huh?
Yeah, when they're pointed, you know what it means.
Yeah, that means go that way. Yeah, so that one's down, pointed this way, so go to the right, go left. You know, that was my biggest concern whenever starting to do autocross.
What, reading the cone?
Yeah, because I know, like, it can also be confusing, especially because you're focused on so much shit at one time. But holy fuck, dude, this is such a big track.
Yeah, it's fast as fuck.
It looks like there's nobody in my class. What does that mean for me?
You have fastest time in your class.
That's big F, dude. No competition. But whatever, I guess. So right, left, and then
straight.
Oh, I thought it was gonna be like.
No, if it was a chicane, it would be pointing in.
It would be the same.
Yeah, no. You see how it's pointing like this?
What, the down cone?
No, I'm talking about this cone.
Yeah, that would mean
like
go
down
left.
Other side.
You're talking about if it was a slalom?
Yeah.
But that's what I'm saying.
And you just stay straight on the side.
Okay. This is a slalom, no? I have a question for you, fine young gentlemen.
Sure, it's my first day. I'm full of advice.
But this would be a slalom, no?
Yeah.
See, I told you.
Yeah.
I told you, Keith. You gotta make sure, bro. If I go balls to the wall straight, I'm in third gear, bro. Cause it's there, you turn in, no? So you go right, turn left.
No, you're gonna be.
Or you stay on the outside.
You go on the outside. You see how he's up right there? That's what you do.
No, yeah. That's what I'm saying. So like here, but you're gonna have to slow down to make the left.
Yeah.
Or if you're big enough balls.
Fuck. All right. Well, I'll catch in with you guys later, but we'll be on the GoPro, so that way you guys can see when we actually get to action. For some reason, I don't have a group, so no idea why. But this is a part of the course walk, which is still very, very long to go. All right, guys. I'll check in with you guys later. So you think the brakes are good?
These?
Yeah.
Yeah. Not good for autocross. Good for track because they take too much to heat up, but okay here.
It doesn't help with the constant cooling either, does it?
Doesn't matter.
play the waiting game. But yeah, the dude in the Plaid is definitely taking the corners really slow. I like that Mustang. Interesting, because I've never been here before. My concern is that I'm just nervous.
Just read the code.
And I'm always nervous at the first run. You stayed in second the whole time?
Yeah. I feel like my limit is the tires.
Probably. I just gotta make sure I listen to the sound of my car. My coolant temp is at 201 right now.
Well, you're sitting in the sun.
Yeah. It's crazy how many people walked up to my car. I didn't think my car was that special.
Big burnout. Oof.
Did he spin?
He almost hit the fence.
Did he?
Yeah, he caught it.
Jesus. That was a butt pucker. I didn't even get to see
Bro,
that.
you on the outside line. You just saw how much dirt he kicked up?
Nope.
He just rode the fence.
Oh, and the auto kicked out too.
That was a big step out. monkey! Fuck!
What?
Fucking monkey, bro. That was faster than Gary.
Was it?
Yeah.
I thought he got a 72.
Dude, that was something off course. Fuck. That was scarier than Gary.
I lost the line, bro. What do you want from me? Leave me alone.
Oh, fuck. Get me out of this thing.
So I'd be good for the day? You're gonna feel the car snap you back, by the way.
Where are you launching at?
5500,
Oh.
but not from that.
Oh.
$72.55, bitch. Let's go.
Dude, I felt that fucking flame.
I smell exhaust, bro.
Fuck.
I think I'm done. I beat Gary, so I'm done.
Momo Geo shot the flame. Legend.